Hey everybody, today we're taking a look at this handmade 100% all natural straw broom. This is made in Thailand, and fun fact, this is actually the first Thai broom that has a registered trademark with the USPTO. Let's get right into it. Out of the box, your broom comes wrapped in this protective plastic along with this loincloth right here. And you can see it covers the entire broom. That's going to keep it protected in case you ever need to store it away for an extended period of time. Or if you want to hang it up as decor, you could do that too. And it has a little hanging loop right here at the top. And then we've got one extra layer of protective plastic for shipment. Looking closer at the broom, we got a nice premium and solid wood handle here. And then when we look at the stitching or the webbing that attaches the straw to the handle, real nice detail here. Along with the straw itself, plenty of threads here. They're nice and soft, but they're definitely going to be able to move stuff around as you sweep. So the broom works great, and because the straw fans out with pressure, you're able to sweep a larger area in less time. This also makes it great for getting into the nooks, crannies, and hard to reach places. And it's versatile and durable enough for both indoor and outdoor use.